In this example, I'm going to show you how you can combine multiple bodies into one body and create a part that is a little complex, more complex than what you have here. Right now you can see that I have a box, and this is just a part body that is a pad and then has a shell inside the pad. I'm going to insert another body. So I go to insert body, and the name is going to be body 2. I right click on this and make sure that this is the active body. And then I go to XY plane and create something a little complex. So for this, I'm going to select profile command, and I start from here, go straight here. Then I want to have a tangent arc like this, and then I'm going to go here, and then again another tangent arc that is going to finish my shape. So let's exit this workbench, and I'm going to give this a little path. So this is what I have, and now you can see that these are two different bodies. So whatever I wish to do on this, I can do it here. If this was created in one body, and I had, for example, this shell before, and now I wanted to add another shell to this, I would have a problem because I couldn't apply, because both of them are aware in one body. But right now this is totally different. So I can select this body, go to trace of feature, and select the shell, and you can see that I can do it very easily. Now what I need to do is to combine these two into one object. I can do that, or I can create something very complex. So I go to insert, go to Boolean operations, select union trim, and I can see that it says the first body that I need to, I can read it from this status bar, of course. What is the body that you want to combine with the other body? Let's say that I want to select this body. This is my body, and now you can see that this body and the other body is selected, but as a matter of fact, the trim is going to be applied to body 2. So it says, what face do you want to remove? You can select the faces that you wish to remove. Let's say that this part is going to be removed, so I make sure that face to remove is selected, and I select this one. This is going to be removed, and also this is going to be removed. Also, maybe this one is going to be removed. You can see that it says 3 elements are going to be removed. Do I want to keep some faces? I can do that, but right now I just prefer to have no selection. I can click on this, and you can see that this shape is removed for me like this, and I have a very complex shape with what I wish to have.